What is your role at your organization?
Basically, my role at GTM Sportswear, which is a customized sporting goods company based out of the United States, is to, one, conduct all of the environmental and process audits in our factories, streamline communication between our Chinese offices, factories, and our United States offices, and continue to explore and analyze more efficient means for our supply chains as we continue to grow throughout China and Southeast Asia in general.
And would you say supply chain risk is increasing? And if so, can you share your experience on the top factors influencing your supply chain strategies?
I would say that the supply chain risk is increasing. Mainly, the biggest factor is the economic crisis, because demand has slowed down so much from not only the United States but the Western countries in general, and it's taken a major effect on the Chinese export markets. We've seen many factories here in China close down. I think the last figure that I read in The Economist was something like 70,000 factories in China have shut down. So from a supply chain standpoint, when your factories are going bankrupt or have some serious financial stability issue, it definitely affects your ability to deliver products on time to your customers.
Okay, and has your company taken any action on these risk factors?
Yes, the biggest thing that we've taken as action-wise is a consolidation approach, is where we would have several factories beforehand competing for one particular project, and now we've consolidated our resources into one or two factories in that area. But within those two factories, in order to minimize our risk, we made sure that most of our goods and the products that factory is producing is coming straight from our company. So it's more their factory success depends upon our company's success. So it's a reciprocal relationship that helps production times, costs, and delivering on time.
And any final comments about risk management?
The biggest thing with risk management is always be 2 steps ahead of the game in terms of where exactly your different options are for the factories that are producing your products, the shipping lines and things of that nature. Oftentimes companies, and what I've talked about for several other professionals in the same field that I'm working in, is they had one factory that was solid for them for producing a product, and then when that factory had bad financial stability issues, they had nowhere to go in terms of options. For us, what we did was we always had a 2 to 3 option approach with each one of our products, and having a consolidation approach to back that up just in case the financial stability issues took place was something that was very effective for us. So I would just say, from a risk standpoint, always remain 2 steps ahead of a game and remember what your options are when you're creating your projects.